Hello, my name is Steve McGarry. Today I'd like to follow up on Chapter 1, which provided an overview of law firm networks. Cumulatively, law firm network members represent 25% of business-related legal services worldwide. This is more than $125 billion annually. Still, the question lingers, what is a network? Who are the networks? Why are networks the most important structure in professional services? This chapter will answer some of these questions by analyzing market perception, network characteristics, operations, and the network disclaimer. In Chapter 1, we discussed the three methods for evaluation of networks. They are levels 1 through 4, measuring the complexity and the sophistication of a network. Two aspects are structure and governance. Network dynamics measures how a network's objectives are being met. The most fundamental is the relationships among members. Internalities and externalities measures how members, non-members, and clients perceive the network. They define the strategies and the priorities. This chapter will elaborate on these three measurements, in particular levels 1 through 4 and externalities. Network dynamics will be discussed in Chapter 4. This chart is a general overview of the most common characteristics of law firm networks, law firm firms, and the accounting networks. They include use of a common name, integrated operations, global practice groups, common tax liability, and being known as a network. Network levels 1 through 4. Level 1 networks are informal clubs. One or several individuals who have an interest in organizing the network usually heads them up. Some clubs are referred to as best friends networks. Level 2 networks are more formal and have a budget, a small administrative staff, a website, a brochure, and an annual meeting. They are generally volunteer networks. Level 3 networks are formal and institutional structures that generally are more than 10 years old. The annual budgets can be quite substantial, up to many millions of dollars. These networks are formal businesses. Level 4, their operations resembles that of any large corporation. They are found primarily in accounting and to a limited extent in the legal profession. This chart combines levels 1 through 4 with network characteristics to define network operations. The full chart of 20 operations is available by downloading. The network disclaimer defines the legal entity, states members are independent, disclaims vicarious liability, states that members cannot commit other members to legal obligations, states that the entity does not provide professional services, and that the entity is a brand under which members provide services to their individual clients. These are examples of network disclaimers. Whose disclaimers are they? Are they accounting, law firm, or law firm for Ryan? The first is PwC. The second is Norton Rose Fulbright. And the third is Meritas, a law firm network. The question is, are they substantially different? In summary, networks have a common genetic basis, independent firms. They range from groups of friends to multi-billion-dollar global operations. The perception of a network versus autonomous organizations has been blurred. The network disclaimer shines the light on the nature of the organization. Networks are already the future of the legal and accounting professions. What is next? Future videos will discuss network governance, network marketing, technology, and the future of the legal profession. Thank you for watching this video.